Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have a name, near to the name we have this pencil icon. On some phones it's located at the right top. You need to tap on it, but not all Android phones have this pencil icon. Maybe you have just a line with a name, so you need to tap at this line. Right here, just write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, click Rename or click OK or Add, it depends also of your phone, to save this new name. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!